This is our PV005 solar connector. It's used for DC solar power systems, rated IP65 to IP68 for waterproof and dustproof protection. Materials comfortable to those used in stubby connectors. Each box contains 500 sets. OEM, private label, and custom packaging are available. Products are randomly inspected before shipment. We've manufactured solar connectors, PV extension cables, and solar cables for more than 15 years. Our products have been supplied to customers in more than 100 countries. I'm Iris from our factory in Ningbo, China. Send me your specification on WhatsApp, and I will prepare a quotation for you.